Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix volume not working properly on iPhone 15. If you're expressing issues with the volume not working properly on your iPhone 15 devices, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to address the problem. First of all, you have to do is check physical buttons. Ensure that the physical volume buttons on the side of your iPhone are not stuck or damaged. Press the volume up and down button and see if they respond properly or not. After this, then you have to do is toggle the silent switch on and off. Check the silent mode switch on the side of your iPhone. If the orange indicator is visible, your iPhone is in silent mode, which can affect volume. Toggle the switch to turn off and then turn off silent mode. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone 15. A simple restart can often resolve minor glitches. Turn off your iPhone by going to your settings, tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to go to your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After this, you're still facing the issue, then I will tell you to clean speakers and pods. Dust and or debris in the speakers or pods can affect sound quality. Use a small, soft brush or compressed air to clean the speakers and the pods. After trying this all steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings. If the issue persists, you can try setting all settings on your iPhone 15. To do this, you have to open your settings, scroll down and then tap on General. Again, scroll down and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap on Reset all settings. Enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.